here I have another disc detainer lock. It's an Amtech. This one I do have a key for. Cool little shrouded lock. Got it from UK Lock Pickers. There's the bitting on it. The top disc is not a zero disc. So what I do is go through and set all of these and then tension from the bottom and then set the top disc and open it. At least that's the plan. So there it is, zeroed. Put the tool in, and what I found on this one, I've got to back it out quite a bit because it interferes with the second disc if I put it in all the way. So put it in, pull it out, put it in, pull it out, get it set, and then start picking. There's one set. There's another one set. Oops. There's another one set. I think if I go to the bottom now, put tension on it, turn it, and it's open, just like that. So this one I was having all kinds of problems with until I got some hints and tips from Solomon, and he told me about tensioning for many of the zero discs. So that helped out quite a bit. And then pulling the tool out, because if you see that first disc right there, if you put the tool in, it just goes in too deep and it interferes with the second disc. So you got to pull it out of here and then start the picking process. But that's it, the Amtech. I'll show you the bitting again. Right there's the top disc. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's it. Amtech picked open. Thanks for watching.